In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a data table in Salesforce ScreenFlow. If you're looking to enhance your Salesforce skills and want to create dynamic and interactive data presentations within your flows, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this step by step, and before you know it, you'll have a functioning data table integrated into your Salesforce environment. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access the setup features since not everyone in an organization might have them. Once you're logged in, navigate to the setup area. From there, look for the Flows option, which will be under Process Automation. Click on it and then click on New Flow. This is where we will start creating our screen flow. Upon choosing New Flow, a window will pop up asking what type of flow you'd like to create. For our purposes, select Screen Flow. Screen flows allow you to create interactive screens that users can engage with, which is ideal for our data table setup. Next, you'll want to add a screen element to your flow. You'll find this option in the toolbox on the left side. Simply drag it onto the canvas. The screen element is essential because it gives you the framework in which you can display your data table. It's similar to preparing your canvas before you start painting. Now that we have added a screen, it's time to add the data table component. This is done by dragging the data table option from the components menu onto your screen. Think of this component as the backbone of your operation, displaying the data you decide to show in a structured format. In order for your data table to know what data to pull in, you'll need to select an object or a collection variable as your data source. Typically, this would be sales data or information pertinent to your organization's needs. Make sure that the collection variable or object you choose is well structured and contains the data you need. After selecting the data source, you'll need to choose the specific fields you'd like to display to users. This could be anything from names and contact details to sales figures and dates, depending on what information is most relevant for your table. If your table needs to allow users to select rows, perhaps for subsequent actions, you'll want to configure row selection here. This adds a layer of interactivity as users can choose which data rows they want to act upon. Once these configurations are complete, save your work and activate the flow. This will make your new screen flow live and accessible within your Salesforce environment. Now you have a data table fully integrated into your screen flow, capable of dynamically displaying important data for your users. And there you have it. You've now successfully learned how to create a data table in Salesforce ScreenFlow, opening up a myriad of possibilities for data management and presentation. Don't forget to test your flow to ensure everything works as expected and tweak any settings if necessary for optimal performance. Thanks for watching and happy Salesforce customizations.